gardeners. Today we are going to be talking about some of the berries that we're growing in our garden. I am new to the berry game. I have strawberries growing that I'm pretty used to growing strawberries. They pretty much grow themselves. As long as you're feeding them, they will make you some yummy good strawberries. We have Sequoia strawberries, and they're everbearing. There we go. They're everbearing strawberries, so they produce strawberries all season long until the heat of summer starts making them slow down, or if I don't keep the runners in check by trimming them off. But here are our Sequoia strawberries. They're nice and healthy and bushy, and there are, flowers galore. Strawberries trying to produce. Just fun. Sequoias they're a really easy, good strawberry to grow, and they give you a medium-sized strawberry, so they're not very big, but if you want big strawberries, you're gonna have to get yourself a June-bearing strawberry plants. Let me see, our next that I'm growing is going to be, I think the name is right here, Bushelberry Peach Sorbet. Yes, peach sorbet blueberry bushes. I have 2 of them. We actually have a blueberry in there that's finally ripening. Those are our peach sorbet blueberries. I have them heavily mulched. When I put the soil in here, I put a lot of peat moss in there and coconut coir, and I've also think I did 2 feedings of acidifier, just to keep them nice and happy. And I mean, the bushes look healthy. The fruit, I don't think are going to do that great this year because there was already fruiting when we put it in the ground, and I think it shocked it a little bit. But that is our peach sorbet. Our next one is going to be raspberries. I've never grown raspberries before. This is raspberry shortcake. I don't think it looks the healthiest, but at the same time, it's also its first year in the ground. From my understanding, it's a low growing bush, so it might get maybe that tall. And this is all new growth. It kind of laid down and it's putting out all this new growth all over it. So I'm assuming it's happy. If anyone's grown raspberry shortcake and it looks different and you have some advice for me, please let me know down in the comments. But we are excited to hopefully get raspberries. These are just dahlias, and some basils are in there for this year, and we're about to get a flower, and I'm so excited. But get back on track. Blackberries are doing their thing. We fed them when we put them in the ground. We mulched them. We put manure around the base before we mulched, and they are just doing their thing. They are happy. They're producing. All this is new growth, and we're just so excited. We've been eating off of it already, and I was going to buy a new one, but I think I'm just going to be patient and let this one sprawl this way and let that one sprawl this way if it stays healthy. And they are thornless, and this one is, I'm going to have to get the name and put it in the title because I have completely forgot what the name of it is. But I want to say it's in the same realm of a dessert, just like the, these are bushel and berry, the blueberry, peach sorbet, the raspberry shortcake, and I just can't remember what this blackberry is, but it's also a dessert-esque name. I do have 2 other raspberry and blueberry bushes that I am kind of attempting to nurse back to health. It's more of an experiment. I got them from Walmart, of all places, and they had a root rot and they were decaying. And well, if y'all been gardening for long enough, you kind of know what it is buying from a box store and the 50-50 chance. But I'm gonna show you what I've got going on right now. So here are my blueberries. So this is just sad, but it is happy and it's putting on new growth right there. So we got that going on. This one, not so much. It's just kind of existing. both in the same pot. I just feel like that one's too far gone. And then let's come over here where our little puppies are waiting in the shade. Here are our raspberry bushes that we are trying to rescue from Walmart. They are putting on new growth here at the bottoms. Now these do have thorns, but putting on new growth, having new growth all the way up and down the stems. So, I mean, if we get these to grow, we will take care of them, put them in the ground somewhere and go from there. But that is our little berry tour that we have here for now. And we will try to keep you updated as the summer progresses and see how these turn out. For watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give me a like and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time.